Concrete canvas is a flexible, concrete-impregnated fabric that, once hydrated, hardens to form a thin, durable, waterproof and fire-resistant concrete layer. Network Rail use concrete canvas on a variety of trackside tasks, such as ditch lining, slope protection, weed suppression, and culvert lining. Concrete canvas has a small logistical footprint. A single bulk roll of CC8 provides the equivalent coverage area of two 17-ton ready-mix trucks. Concrete canvas is typically 10 times faster to install than conventional concrete, reduces health and safety risk, and minimizes line possession. This video explains how to install concrete canvas for ditch lining. Concrete canvas is available in large bulk rolls or as smaller batched rolls. Bulk rolls offer the quickest installation but must be deployed using heavy lifting equipment. For sites where this isn't suitable, man-portable batched rolls can be installed without the need for plant. Concrete canvas can be laid longitudinally along the ditch or transversely across the width. To perform this task, you will need sufficient concrete canvas to complete your job, safety glasses, mask and gloves, cutting equipment, snap-off knife or disc cutter, metal J-pegs, a lump hammer, an auto-fed screwdriver and stainless steel screws, or alternative method to join the concrete canvas layers, a water supply. This is the procedure for lining a ditch with concrete canvas and is suitable for both bulk and batched rolls, whether laying longitudinally or transversely. Any vegetation and sharp or protruding rocks should be removed from the ditch. The ditch should have a uniform profile for ease of future maintenance. A shallow anchor trench should be cut into the shoulders of the ditch. Remove packaging and unroll across the ditch profile, ensuring the fibrous top surface faces upwards with the PVC membrane in contact with the ground. For transverse layup, tuck the cut edge of the concrete canvas into the anchor trench before cutting to length. When positioning subsequent layers, ensure there is at least a 100 mm overlap in the direction of water flow. Fix the material into the anchor trench with the pegs through each overlap, or at 2-meter intervals in a longitudinal installation. Hydrate the material under the overlapped sections of the concrete canvas. Once hydrated, the material remains workable for 1 to 2 hours. The impermeability of the joint can be improved by applying an adhesive sealant prior to screwing. Insert stainless steel screws at 200 mm centers, 30 to 50 mm from the edge of the joint. After fixing and jointing, spray the concrete canvas with water to hydrate. A minimum volume of water equal to 50% of the material weight is required. For example, CC8 requires 6 litres of water per square metre. It is not possible to overhydrate concrete canvas. To check proper hydration, the concrete canvas should feel wet to the touch several minutes after hydration. It is not recommended to rely on rainfall to provide hydration. The anchor trenches should be backfilled after hydration. Concrete canvas hardens to 80% strength in 24 hours and is ready for use. The benefits of concrete canvas-lined ditches are reduced line possession, safe and easy installation, requires minimal maintenance, and provides long-term scour protection. For further information, please visit www.concretecanvas.com.